Welcome to Zentric Mind, your space of inner peace and tranquility. Today's session is focused on helping you regulate your mood. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, or just in need of a mental reset, this meditation will guide you towards a state of calm and balance. Emotions can be like waves, rising and falling all day long. But with mindfulness and intentional breathing, we can get to ride those waves to find a sense of inner peace. Close your eyes, or simply allow your gaze to soften and become focused. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you exhale, feel your body begin to relax and release any tension or stress that you may be holding onto. Allow your breath to flow naturally, without forcing it or trying to control it in any way. Simply observe your breath as it moves in and out of your body, noticing the sensations of each inhale and exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allow your body to sink deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Release any thoughts or distractions from your head and simply focus on the feeling of your breath and the relaxation of your body. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, peaceful garden. Notice the green grass beneath your feet and the flowers and trees around you. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to feel completely relaxed and at ease. As you stand in this garden, you notice a stream running through it. You approach the stream and observe the clear water gently flowing over the rocks. The sound of the water is soothing and calming. Imagine that your negative thoughts and emotions are represented by leaves on the surface of the stream. Allow yourself to watch these leaves float by on the water, acknowledging each one as it passes. As you focus on the stream, imagine that you have the power to regulate your mood by controlling the flow of the water. You can slow it down or speed it up depending on what you need in the moment. Imagine yourself adjusting the flow of the water with ease, using your mind to guide it in the direction you desire. As you make these changes, allow yourself to feel a sense of control and empowerment. Notice how your mood begins to shift and become more positive and balanced. You may feel a sense of calm and peace as you take control of the flow of the stream. As you continue to regulate the stream, allow yourself to feel gratitude for the power you possess to regulate your mood. Feel the sense of peace and control that comes with being able to direct your thoughts and emotions. Take another deep breath and let this sense of calm and empowerment fill you up. Visualize yourself picking up a pebble from the bank of the stream. Hold the pebble in your hand and take a moment to reflect on a positive experience or aspect of your life. This could be anything from a happy memory to a recent accomplishment, or even just something you feel grateful for in your life. As you focus on this positive thought, imagine that the pebble is becoming warm and glowing in your hand. Visualize this warmth spreading throughout your body, filling you up with a sense of happiness and contentment. Take another deep breath and release the pebble into the stream. Watch as it sinks to the bottom of the stream, knowing that the positive thought or emotion is now a part of you. Allow yourself to feel a sense of release and letting go as you drop the pebble into the water. As you stand by the stream, allow yourself to become aware of the present moment. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that you have the power to regulate your mood. Allow your body to relax completely and feel the peace and tranquility of this beautiful garden. When you're ready, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to observe your surroundings, knowing that you can return to this peaceful state of mind whenever you need to. Remember that you have the power to regulate your mood and that positive thoughts and emotions can be a part of you. Thank you for joining me in this meditation session. I hope it helped you find some peace and relaxation in your day. Remember to make time for yourself and your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more meditations. I wish you all the best on your journey to inner peace. Namaste.